Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Kofi name or username. So once you're inside Kofi, guys, go ahead and click the home on the upper right hand side. Then from here, click on settings. Now here you have the option that says profile. You have profile payments and pages. Under profile, you have the option to change your name. So I can go ahead and I can change this to say, for example, Toots, if I want to add Toots to it for like a shortened for tutorial. And you can see that I have the Kofi username as well. So let's say I want to add, for example, dash in between. I can go ahead and I can do it, or if I want to say toots with an extra s, like with an extra z, or let's say if I want to say toots instead of toots, I can go ahead and add it how I want. So let's say that's what I want to do. All I have to do is just go ahead and add the name. Then you can see that I changed the username. Just click on set and it's going to update them for me. So if I go back to my page, guys, or go back and click my profile on the upper right hand side, my page, you will see that the name and the username is now changed. So let me go ahead and click on that so that you can now see the difference. Now, as you can see here, True Toots and also the username is also changed. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and change your name and username on your Kofi account.